So guys, I'm finally back after like 6 months of break or something, like half a year. But I'm finally back, and I guess you can tell changes of my setup. I guess you can, it's not that much. So yeah, I got a new keyboard. I'm going to show you the unboxing right now. Here it is, boys. Ooh. I got the white version, and yeah. Okay, let's take this guy out. Dude, it's so small, what the heck? And also, if you guys are wondering this, I just took off my case because when I'm recording with my new phone, it's just like, ugh. And hopefully the video quality is better, so. So inside the box, you get the box and a USB-C detachable cable, a keycap remover, and a switch puller because it's hot swappable. But keep in mind, guys, that if you get the optical switches, you can only hot swap other optical switches. So yeah, it's the browns. I got optical Gatoron browns. They're not cherry, but I'm pretty sure these are better than just regular browns in terms of specs, the millimeter distance or whatever. So yeah, it looks pretty cool, and I'm gonna try it out now. And yeah, so that's basically unboxing. And today something came in the mail, which is, I don't know why they gave me such a big package. But wait, where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's right here. This is O-rings, and we're gonna test them out and see how much of a difference that it actually makes to a keyboard. And this is the GK61. I think I already said it in my unboxing, but whatever. So guys, this is the more in-depth look from my perspective of what installing an O-ring looks like. So I'll take the O-rings out like this. Hello? And you just loop it over this X looking thing, or plus looking thing, the pillar in the middle of a keycap set. Now, normally most mechanical keyboards, or almost all mechanical keyboards, have this shape of a keycap and it has the middle pillar looking thing. So you just loop that around. It should be compatible with most of the keycaps that you have. So guys, we're on Osu now, and I don't really play this game anymore, but I still play it sometimes, and I think Osu's the best game to test out the O-rings. So let's go and play some maps. I think the O-rings are definitely noticeable. They might help on streaming, because they reduce the bottoming out distance. This is a fairly easy map. I had troubles with OBS, but now everything should be smooth. It takes a while to get used to the O-rings, because I'm personally used to the old bottoming out distance. So I click too hard. It's hard to play while commentating.
After getting used to it, I think I can stream better. There's less fatigue. Bruh. I can't do that. No, that's actually my fingers. I think O-rings are pretty good. Gotta be. Okay, let's try something else. This one. This is good. Stream practice. Oh, okay, let's try it again. Bro. Yeah, the O-rings definitely help. It also makes the keyboard quieter. No. Recently, I've been playing the new Call of Duty Battle Royale thing. I forgot what it's called. It's part of Modern Warfare, which I think is pretty fun. I'm gonna die. No! This is so sad. I clicked the wrong key. Okay, let's play something else. So let's do a typing test, and I'm not the best typer out there, and I think I'm just average, so yeah. The O-rings makes the tactility less pronounced, so I don't think I like that too much for typing. It's really good for OSU and gaming, I think, but I don't think it's good for just typing. In my opinion, I don't like it, so let's just try it out. Oh my. Oh my god. Dude, I can't spell. Answer me typing. Car is due. Call. Food time 100. Get why. Money use. Person wonder. Okay. Page real. Dude. How mean. Foul. Win. Stop. Direct. Family. Good. Line. Lead. Large. Box. Okay, oh, 70 words per minute. Okay, that's not bad. I'll take it. So yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed... Oh my god, I can't speak. If you guys enjoyed, please hit the like button and make sure to stay clean. The coronavirus is not a joke. I have 1 extra week off break because of that. So yeah, keep washing your hands, stay clean, boys, and hit the like button and turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.